manual screen. Okay, let's go to my manual machine. So this is my manual machines. So this is my board. This is my setup guide board. So I made this one to guide my setup. So this is where I need to set up. This is the middle of my board, and then this is like the left front area, and then this is the right front area, and then all of this is the full front or the pull back of your printing. So I have this acetate here. So this is the color. So because this one is bigger output than this, so I'm going to lay this one first to make sure we're going to line up perfectly on this board. So I'm going to line up my acetate here, just like that, and I'm going to grab some tape. I'm going to tape one corner. I'm going to tape the other corner, and I'm going to grab this and put some tape on. Okay, this is the one. So as you see, I have bullets here, like a registration mark, one here and one over here. So, and same thing here, I have a registration mark here and here. So all I need is just line up this one here with your registration mark together. It's not necessarily line up really tight, and then I'm going to bring down my head and I'm going to grab my screens. So this screen is the one I coat on my other video. I'm going to do is put this one on the top, and what we need to do is like this. This one is not really good, but this one still works. You need to do is wash it properly, blow the screen properly after burning the screens. So that's the first color, and then now, since this is one lineup, all you need to do is put tape on one end and put tape on the other end. So this tape has to be goes out, and this one too, and put it on my board here. there. There you have it. This is ready to burn. All I need is put extra tape on that and easy to burn. So now I'm going to show you how to set up this one into the auto machine. So this is my auto machine. You can see this one on one of my video already. So I have a setup guide here for this board, and I'm going to set up this one in the same way that we did on the manual. So same thing we're going to do is put your acetate here, exactly the same what we did on the manual, but this one is a little different. And now I'm going to put acetate, second color, and the same thing, you need to just line up the registration mark or the bullet. So now we're going to move this one to my head. So it's like on my head now. Now I'm going to grab my screen here. This is my screen for auto machine. All you need to do is slide this one to your head. Slide all the way where you want to put in, so at least you have this, because the head will go here, so at least you don't need to set up like far on the back. So like this, so at least in the middle of your squeegee and powder holder. And now you need to lock your screen holder. Just lock, and you need to bring up your board, your table up. So we need to bring your table up. And now, just same thing on the other one. You just really nice scrub right there, and then you need to bring down your table, and then you need to move your screen, and then the second color gone. It means it stay on your screen there. You just get up here, and then this one is ready to expose. We're going to set aside here, and we're going to do the same on this one. So we're going to do is put the same thing here, like okay, just put the magic tape on right there, and then same thing, I'm going to bring it to my head one. Same thing what we did in the first color. Going to grab our screen and just slide it the same way that we did on the first one. So you need to make sure it's in the middle, and it's good. You need to lock it, and then go to your computer head and bring the table up. and then some rub here to make sure that your acetate will stick on to the screen. After that, I'm gonna bring the table down here and bring up the table. Just like it's gone now. I'm gonna unlock this one and bring it here. So this is the way you set up for the auto machine, exactly on the machine. And now we're going to do it on my setup guide table here on my darkroom. So this is my setup guide table here. So this is for the manual. As you see, this is the guides and everything. So we have left front here, right front here, and then this is the whole full front. And then same thing here. This guide is from M&R itself, so it's like included when you buy the auto machine. This one is included. All you need to do is like set up on the table or whatever you want to set up this one. So to start this, we're going to do this on the manual first here. Okay, let's get back to this board. So this line is the line on my board, like on the manual board. So this is like in the middle. So these two lines here is where I can set up my full front logo. So from here I can set up all the way. I can set up here, here, and here, because this is top of my board, and then this one is top of my screen. So this is the same logo. I'm going to do is just put like this here. And then this is the second color. So same thing, again, going to line up on the registration mark. Right there. Now I'm gonna grab my screen and just like put it on the middle. So as you see, I have marks, I have lines here, so line up here inside edge of my screen. But this I know I'm on the middle. So when you look at it's like that. So this one is ready to dispose. Same thing here, we're going to do is put some tape here and put some tape here. And I'm going to take this one out. This acetate is lots of tape because I'm I did this logo for lots of time. Now I'm gonna grab the other screen and same thing here. I'm going to line up on the line there and bring down your really nice rub here. Just stick the right there. So now this one is ready to burn. So now I'm going to show you how to set up here for your auto machine. Okay, so as you see, there's a line here. This is like the size of my screen. So this is like a middle, and then you can see here it's like top of the image. So you can see like lots of guides here, but this one is a little higher when you're printing on my auto machine, so we're going to put it a little lower here. So that's why we have a lots of lines here, so you can line up your image according to what you need for your on your board. So there's, you can see the square here is for your left front image, left front printing, and then this one is for the right front printing. So this full is for the full front. So I'm gonna grab the acetate here. Same thing, we're going to place it on the top here, and then we just tape it. And we're going to put the acetate, the second color here, exactly the same. You just like line up the bullet and grab your screen. This is the big screen. So all you need to do is go all the way to the back and square on this side. So like that. And this little rod here. So this is your this is the screen ready to burn. So I'm going to put some tape on.